Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 14th of March. Let's go ahead and see what your reading entails today. Libra, your channel, I was getting something about a financial institution. Okay, Libra, let's go. Libra, you are the Justice card. And you do share Venus with Taurus, so you are the Empress card, Libra. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. First card out is the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting something about business. Is business not happening as much as it used to? I'm getting something is slowing down, Libra. Something could be coming to a halt. Here we have the Page of Cups. I'm getting you're trying to find a way to rebrand something. You might be okay, so I'm getting something that has been built over 5 years, but there's something about the marketability. Something hasn't changed. Maybe it's variety, maybe something needs to appeal to the young people, but I'm getting business is slowing down, Libra. Yeah, I'm seeing you closing down your business or you're walking away. Now if you're a young entrepreneur, I'm getting you've been doing something for like years. I believe someone wants you to walk away from what you're doing, because I feel like you have a name, you have a cement, you have a foot inside something. All right, and I feel like if you shut it down and you walk away, either somebody can claim it. I'm getting a young entrepreneur and somebody wants you to walk away from what you've been doing for over 5 years. Again, I'm not sure if this is you need new fans or you need a new way to market something so you can get money. Also, Libra, I don't know why I want to say this. You are not rich unless you have control of your own money. The rich control their own money. If you're rich and your bank tell you when you can withdraw and when you can't cash out, you're not rich. You could also be a young entrepreneur, getting you want to make a big withdrawal, a big purchase, but something about your financial institution is saying no. I'm not gonna lie. If you don't want me to, Libra, since you're the law, you might need to see if what you want to buy accept Bitcoin. We have the Ace of Swords. We have the 10 of Cups. And we have the Page of Cups. Libra, getting something about it could, yeah, the Devil card. It could be something about a family business shutting down. You could want to take over a family business, but I'm getting what you want to deliver. It's not. I'm getting you want to revamp something, and it's probably going to hurt the family name. Because I'm getting I'm getting something has been carried on for generations to generations, but nothing has changed when it comes down to how young people are. Also, I found out this morning, Libra, that I am a millennial. You know, millennials were the first one to do the hashtag culture. The millennials were the first one to do the ban culture, blacklist culture. You're blacklisted. You can't say that. You can't say that about Donald Trump's wife. You can't say that about Melania, right? We're the ones who did it. That's why the millennials, when them take over, them act this way. So you think yes, the Gen Z and the Gen X is very, very young. But let's not forget who started all of this. Let's not forget who started memes. It was the millennials. Let's not forget that. We were the first one to accept the conversation, even when the older persons had these conversations. We were the first one to accept. Listen, let me tell you something. This is why women are happier. We live longer, we're better, okay, we're faster, and we just outlive you men, and we live happier. Well, it's women like you who scream that way make men like me want to just not live at all. Oh, yeah, how could you say something like that? Is sexist? That is outright outrageous. Saying that I wanted to eat her. I never said that. I would never say something like that, Mr. Mohan. Anyways, Libra, I'm getting you want to revamp something. Or, I don't know why I want to do this. I want to say you need to close down a family business. Maybe Maybe somebody wants you to take over the family business. Libra, I'm getting you don't want to do that. The Empress, you're not fulfilling your Empress role. The Libra card did not even come out either. So I'm getting whatever this is, maybe you're not getting justice for something you have invested in for a very long time. Wait, you have to wait, Libra. Because I'm getting the Ten of Swords was here, where you were about to walk away, and then the Ace of Swords came back, so you start over something again. Maybe you feel like you'll never be happy, you'll never I'm getting you saying, I'll never win. I don't know. I'm getting the Devil card here. Maybe you're the one who's controlling something, tormenting somebody's family. I'm getting is something about you want somebody to shut down something. I don't know if Adon Ross is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Capricorn. I was getting something about Adon Ross. I don't remember, I didn't check what his zodiac sign was. Also, Libra, if you had a wife and you lost a wife, I'm getting you'll get one again. Or Libra, I'm just getting, if you don't want to be a mother, be somebody's wife. If you don't want to be a mother, be somebody's girlfriend. Even though a Libra is a justice, it's the independent women who want to freeze them eggs, even though you still need a sperm, and God knows whose sperm you're going to get to impregnate the eggs, right? And then let me just say something, Libra, since you're the Empress and you're justice, you don't get a man's sperm to impregnate an egg so you can be a mother. Have sex, at least give the man the respect for have sex with a man. Give the man the respect of making the man and getting you pregnant, Libra, because you're the justice card. Yes, you know, we're independent. Yes, we make money ourselves. You know why? Because if we want to buy things like makeup and hair care products, we don't need to explain it to a man who's explaining to us that, sweetie, you don't need these things to be beautiful. You're beautiful like sweatpants, head tied, chilling with no makeup on. That's when you're the prettiest. I hope that you don't take it wrong, right? That's why women like to be independent, Libra, because you can buy and you don't have to explain. But you're also the Empress. You have a sense of belonging. You don't want to take care of kids? Okay, well, you have to take care of something. You're a mother. Or you have to fulfill your Empress role. The Empress of an Emperor. And if both of y'all want to grow old, fine. And if both of y'all don't want kids, fine. But you have to take care of something. You have to be maternal. Whether you want to be maternal to a woman or a man, that's your choice, Libra. But if you want kids, at least don't go to a doctor that's a woman, tell her say you want to take out your egg as a woman, but you need a random sperm to impregnate it. Don't do that, Libra. That is the justice part of it. But you're also the Empress. You have a mother role to play. So let's get some of these cards. We have Neptune. Neptune rules dreams and illusions. We have Prophet. We have Libra. Yeah, Libra. You have to remember what you rule. Yes, you are the Justice card. Stand independent businesswoman. Yes, that is true. Great, great, great. But you are also the Empress like Taurus. Even though Taurus rules the Empress over you, you're still the Empress. You still live in Venus. We still had to register you with the government along with Taurus, or people would have said that we were human trafficking, and we didn't want to do that. So we registered you. Okay? You have to fulfill a maternal role. And it's very hard to fulfill a maternal role if there's two maternal people. MK Ultra. Libra is also masculine and feminine energies. We have Mercury, communication, and we have illness. I'm not saying that something is wrong with you, Libra, but what I'm saying is something could have been wrong with Christ. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Libra. Bye.